So today is one of 3 sprayings. I went ahead and sprayed the apple trees and the Asian pear tree. But it is just before March 1st, and it's time to go ahead and spray with the Horticultural Oil. I use the All Seasons brand. But Horticultural Oil is one of 3 spraying cycles that you'll do for your outdoor fruit trees along with your blueberry plants. Now I went ahead and did the fruit trees already, but with the blueberry plants around the East Coast up in Canada, what happens is most of the blueberries will get looks like they're trying to bury stuff in my dirt. What they'll basically will happen is you'll get fruit flies and apple maggots, blueberry maggots inside on these blueberry plants on the East Coast and up in Canada. Now we don't have this problem as much here on the West Coast, closer to Canada, just in the Seattle area, Zone 8B. But I still, since I already mixed this solution for the fruit trees, outdoor fruit trees, I figured, might as well go ahead and spray it. It won't hurt to do this for the blueberry plants. So I go ahead and do this every year. It's almost March 1st, and I do check the weather regularly and want to make sure that it's above freezing. And then I found out that it's going to be about 55 to 58 degrees next week, and so the whole week. So it's about the perfect time, perfect weather to get the dormal spray done. Notice how these buds are just about to break. So I want to make sure that I get this dormant spray done before then. And so it's a good idea to get this done immediately because I got 3 spraying cycles that I want to do. I want to do a dormant spray. Then 2 to 3 weeks later, I want to do a copper fungicide spray. And then 2 to 3 weeks after that, I want to do a neem oil spray. And so I want to leave about 2 to 3 weeks of time between spacing gaps between the spraying schedule. So in order to do that, it's very important to get this first spraying done sometime in late February, early March in Zone 8B, at least in my region. Now, some places like when you talk to M.I. Gardner and some of these other places in the Midwest, Chicago, Detroit, parts of Michigan, what's going to happen is it's still too cold to go ahead and do the spraying, so you're just going to have to hold off. But in my zone, I got a temperate climate here in Seattle, so we just got about outside of the frost range, and so it doesn't get too snowy here very often. We had a little bit of snow a few weeks back, but I think we've already turned the corner. So go ahead and do this horticulture spraying. And then about 2 to 3 weeks later, I'll get started on the second spraying, which will be the copper fungicide. And then 2 to 3 weeks after that, do the neem oil. And hopefully those 3 sprayings will be done before flowers form, fruit form, on these blueberry and apple and pear trees. So that is it. We are about done. That is it. So I'll see you guys later.